This is Nick from Cabo Trek. This season we started doing a project to reduce our plastic waste to protect and preserve the oceans a bit more. Because around 8 to 10 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year, which has a big impact on around 700 species of animals. So we try to find as many possibilities in the shop and on the tours to reduce our plastic waste. So we decided to reduce our plastic footprint by exchanging our water bottles with refillable containers and washable cups. And with this project we reduced our plastic usage by almost more than 90%. So it really helps to talk to people and show on tours what is possible, and our clients loved our project, so we can recommend to everyone to do the same.
Yeah, we learned a lot today. I think it's really important to go on eco tours that are environmentally friendly and also working to preserve the ocean life that's critical for the survival of not just their species but ours as well.
Yeah, we have to keep the ocean intact. Sustainability is really the only way to do that.
But being from the Midwest, we hear about these things, but until you actually
encounter it,
we don't really know. Yeah, we don't really. The education you gave us really was helpful.
We love your project.
Yes,
keep it up.
Keep going.
Keep up.
Yeah.
Very important that everyone knows about that. I'm glad you guys spent a lot of time on that and also donate a lot of money for the cause. Great.
We learned a lot today, and hopefully we can pass on those learnings.
Hi, my name is Katia. I am a marine biologist. I work in Cabo Trek. And this year we have this project with Niklas, trying to reduce the plastic here, especially the plastic bottles. And Niklas managed this idea very well in the boat, giving some instructions, educational information. And I think that in the end, they were very interesting about the information that Niklas was giving on the boat. So this project was very important for us because we saw that it's totally possible. The clients, they were very opening with this idea, and it's very important to keep doing the same. And we reduce many plastic bottles here. Actually, the most of the clients, they were more interested in not in the cups and the filtered water. So yeah, and then the project was very good.